You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this interesting, famous Welsh word. If you want to learn more Welsh vocabulary, Welsh names in particular that are confusing, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you you'd want to learn from. Pronounced as Cywydd, one of the most important metrical forms in traditional Welsh poetry. It's a unit, a Welsh verse form. Cywydd. Cywydd. Cywydd is usually how it's pronounced. Cywydd. Cywydd. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.